मॉडल ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब विल। हमें मालूम है कि विल का इस्तेमाल हम फ्यूचर टेंस में करते हैं टू शो फ्यूचर टेंस। आई विल गो देयर, ही विल कम, दे विल गो देयर। इस तरीके से हम विल का इस्तेमाल किया जाता है। ज़्यादा तौर पे विल का इस्तेमाल सेकंड पर्सन और थर्ड पर्सन में ही किया जाता है। यहाँ देखिएगा, मॉडल ऑक्सिलरी विल इंडिकेट फ्यूचर टाइम। व्हाट इट इंडिकेट्स? इट इंडिकेट्स फ्यूचर टाइम। So its modality is showing future time. I will know the results tomorrow. Here, the action will happen in future. It is about to take. In that case, we use will. Model auxiliary verb will. Here next, I won't go there anymore. The negative form of will. If there we want to show any negativity, we use will not, won't. Here, I won't go there anymore. He won't go there anymore. They won't go there anymore. They will also join the party afterwards. वो भी हमारी पार्टी ज्वाइन करेंगे कुछ देर के बाद। It shows future tense. What it shows? It shows future tense. Like this, I will not be able to participate in this program. मैं ये प्रोग्राम पार्टिसिपेट नहीं कर पाऊंगा। They won't go there anymore. The king will announce the scheme tomorrow. कल राजा नई स्कीम के बारे में कुछ अनाउंसमेंट करेंगे। It is showing time, that is a modality. Next is used for determination. एक दृढ़ निश्चय, एखादा संकल्प, resolution we have to take, and how we use that resolution and how we take that, how we use that. See here, I will get the first class this time. Here, it is not only showing future tense, but also it shows the determination of that person, how he is determined. How he is determined. What about his determination? His determination is about coming first class or taking first rank in the exam. That is his determination, or we can say that his resolution. Likewise, that we take resolution in New Year, right? I will quit smoke, I will quit my bad habit, I will quit. So that is what? That is our determination. I will win this tournament. Anyhow, this time I will win the tournament. It is what? Determination. It is next, we will complete our target within time. If your teacher gives you a project and you show your determination that anyhow we will complete our project within time, that is our words. That is our words we are giving to our teacher. I will learn swimming this time. आप स्विमिंग करना चाहते हो, you are not getting it, you are not fully expert, then that is a time when you determine yourself that in that particular period you will have to learn that particular thing. So it is what I will learn swimming this time. It shows determination of that person. When we are talking about determination, that determination, it comes with the first person singular or plural subject only, right? It can be used with second person or third person, but most it is used with I or we. Next, used in invitation and request. Will you please the door? Will you open the door? Will you please close the door? That is what our request. Will you pass the salt? Otherwise, in invitation, won't you join our program? Won't you join any party? So it is our invitation here. Won't you come in? Means you are inviting the person to whom you are speaking. Next, won't you join our party? Will you pass the salt, please? This comes in request. Will you attend my seminar? Will you attend my webinar? That is request. Will you get my mobile, please? आप मेरा मोबाइल ला सकते हो. By this uses you can easily practice at your home with various examples. Much examples you have to try at your home. Comment